If you were my client and you own an HVAC business, here are 5 videos I would have you do over the next 5 days. The first one is something seasonal for their HVAC system. So is there maintenance that they should have, and when should they have it? The second one is the types of HVAC systems that people in your community typically have and how they could upgrade or get a better experience in their home. The third one is a happy customer testimonial. Could you record them and get them talking about how great it was to work with you? Fourth one is a TikTok trend. This is great for your culture, and it's also a really fun experience for your team. And the fifth one is answering a frequently asked question or a problem that your customers typically have that they could easily know the answer to when they see your video.